Happy birthday, Nols. Wish ko lang na sana galingan mo pa sa survey para palagi kang kasama. Peace you.
Hello, good morning, Nols. Happy birthday nga pala. Happy birthday, Nols.
Nolly boy, happy birthday. Sana tayo ka naman para pang babae kasi masama yun sa health. Yun.
Happy birthday, Engineer Nolly.
What? Ay, happy birthday, Nolly Cyphers, ha? Ha, umayos ka. Nainis ako sa ulo mo eh. Ganda ng buhok mo, ba't ka nagpakalbo? Hindi, joke lang yun. Very, very happy ako na nabuhay ka pa ng isang taon, katulad last year, di ba? Okay na yun, at least nabuhay ka, di ba? And I wish you all the best and happy birthday. And yun, more birthday to come. God bless.
Ayun yung sa bilis.
Happy birthday, Nolly. 1, 2. Happy birthday, Nolly. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, CN Survey Services. Happy birthday, Nolly. Happy birthday, Nolly Calvo. Happy birthday, Cipres Calvo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Quinto Calvo. Kalbo. Happy birthday, tol.
Go.
Happy birthday, kuya.
Nolly boy, happy birthday.
Boy, sana lahat ng goal mo is maabot mo, lalo lang pag-aaral mo. Sana makatapos ka. Yun. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday pala sa iyo, Idol Leonard Yason. Ingat ka palagi and God bless. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Leonard Yasul. Ingat ka palagi, God bless. Happy birthday, Idol Padi, Leonard Yasul. Ingat perme and more birthdays to come. All soon. Happy birthday, Idol Leonard Yasul.
Happy birthday, idol ko, Leonard Yasul. Ingat ka palagi. Enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Turinaw mo na.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Leonard Yasul. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday sa iyo dyan sa Legazpi City, Albay. Leonard Yasul. More birthdays to come. Keep safe.
Happy birthday, Pards. Stay healthy and salamat sa gabo sa pinigribahan na Pards. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And stay strong sa environment mo. And again, happy birthday, Leonard Paulo Tangke Dasok Yasul. Happy birthday, Pards.
Happy birthday, Pards Leonard. Ingat perme. Pards. See ya.
Padena, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Jamming soon.
Happy birthday, Padeng Leonard. Ingat, pirme, and God bless.
Yo, happy birthday kay brother Leonard Yasul. Sana masaya ka sa mga ginagawa mo sa buhay and nandito lang kami mga brother mo. Ingat ka palagi bro kung saan naman magpunta. Gabayan ka palagi ng may kapal. Wish ko, sana palagi kang masaya. Ingat ka palagi, love you bro.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nard. And ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Nerds, happy birthday. Stay kupal.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nard.
Wala, Nard! Nard, ikaw, ilang taon ka na? Ay, kagurang mo na, no, ya. Kumakaray ka. I wish you all the best and more birthday to come and God bless. And very, very happy birthday sa Nard. Okay? Ingat ka palagi. Alam ko yung ginagawa mo pag wala ako. Ha? Ingat ka talaga.
Hi guys, CN Survey Services. Happy birthday, Kuya Leonard. Happy birthday, Leonard. Happy birthday, Leonard. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to... Ewan ko ano sunod dun. Leonard.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nard. Galingan mo lang palagi. God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nard.
So guys, happy birthday pala sa kasama ko ngayon na si Leonard Yasol. So, Leonard sa isa sa kasama ko na sobrang mabait, palatawa. So, enjoy your dinner. Happy birthday. So, more to come and good health, safety. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Nad. Happy birthday. Thank you for all the blessings. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Leonard. Thank you for everything. I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tata Nad. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday, Jojo.
Happy birthday, Tata Leonard. May skin po po, eh?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tito Nard. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Nard. I love you. Yeah, you. I love you, Dad.
Happy birthday, Toto Nad. We love you.
Mag-greet ka na.
1, 2, 3 Kenji.
1, 2, 3, go.
Lad, happy birthday. Salamat sa kamusta bang sa kuya. Salamat. Happy birthday. Wala ko may regalo sa imo. Kadek kang kwas. Salamat sa mga tabang mga la. Happy birthday.
Nad, happy birthday. Salamat sa gapos, lalo na nung nakakulong si tito mo. Salamat sa tabang mo. Salamat sa pagpadaba mo sa mo.
Thank you, Duan Les.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, PS. Wish namin more birthdays to come. Thank you for the love you shown to our family. Sana di ka magbago. Always remember na kailangan mo ng kainuman. Tito Ruel is always there for you. Happy birthday, PS.
Greetings from Occidental Mindoro.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Leonard.
Happy birthday sa kuyang manugang na tall, dark, and handsome.
Grabe, happy birthday. Siyempre, magagaling sila sa to. May trabaho ka lang. Sana magta ko na pampagaw mo. Sige bro. Idiling na lang sa birthday mga pero birthday short today. Love you bro.
Happy birthday bro. Nad. Wish ko sa imo sana padagos lang ang pagiging maray na tao. Enjoy your day. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Padagos lang.
Hello, Toto Nad. Happy birthday. Wish ni Daven, sana palagi kang healthy, hindi magkasakit. Thank you, Toto Nad. Happy birthday. Happy birthday ka, Toto Nad. Happy birthday, Toto Nad. We love you.
Happy birthday! Good sa tanan. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Nat. May God continues to bless you many years to come with good health, wealth, and prosperity. Wish ko na magkaigwa ka ng lifetime happiness, smile, and shining future. Stay as good as you are. Happy birthday, and I love you. Mama will always be here for you, always and forever.
Leonard, happy birthday. Salamat.
Hi Lord, sa PS birthday, happy 27th birthday. Thank you for everything. Aram mo na yan. Sana, pero ka lang in good health. Lord, sa'yo yan. Bako yan sa tuya. Pero for sure, aram ko, soon, maabot yan. Love you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ellie Fulgar. Take care always.
Yo, Ellie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. This is for you, Ate Ellie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellie.
Hi guys, Sin Surveying Services. Happy birthday nga po pala kay Ate Ellie. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Ate Ellie. Ate Ellie. Ate Ellie. Happy birthday po. Lilipas din yan nga to.
So guys, may isang babatiin pa ako na isang tao dun sa office, magbe-birthday din ngayon. So happy birthday, Ellie Fulgar. So, yun lang, more to come birthday and always safety and good health. So, yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi Ellie, happy birthday. Sana maging maganda ang buhay mo. Tulad mo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi ga, happy birthday and I love you so much. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, lalo na rin ang health mo. Wag mo papabayaan yung health mo. And then, thank you sa pag-stay and thank you sa lahat. I love you so much po. And ituloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo dyan. Andito lang ako para i-support ka. Para supportan ka mentally and physically. And I hope na masaya sa ginagawa mo. I love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Joe! Miss lo kita, Joe! Miss ka na ni Ga, Joe!
Shout out sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Naning B! I love you.
Happy birthday, ate. Love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday sa aking prinsesa na maganda. Happy birthday. God bless you. Magkaroon ka man ng magandang trabaho. Makamit mo man ang mga wish mo. Lagi mong sasamahan ng panalangin. Sa Panginoon ka lang manalig. Kahit anumang pangarap mo, kahit anumang mga plano mo sa buhay, sa Panginoon ka lang tatawag. Tsaka, sana, tulungan mo mga kapatid mo makatapos din ang pag-aaral bago ka mag-diwar-diwar. I love you so much, my princess, my beautiful princess. You're so pretty. I love you so much. Salamat. Tinulungan mo si mama sa alam mo naman na kulang ang natin ngayon, ang pang-tuition lang sa mga kapatid mo. Naghinguha ka pa rin na makatrabaho kay Kuya Muel Franz. Salamat. I love you so much. Blessing kayo ng Panginoon sa akin. Thank you, Lord. Lahat kayo ng kapatid mo, all of you are blessing for me. Kaya sana matupad ang mga pangarap nyo. Magsimba permi, manalangin permi, kay Papa God permi magayo sandanon. I love you. God bless you. And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Ingat ka palagi dyan sa office. Baby pa rin kita. I love you.
Good morning, Les. Happy birthday nga pala.
Happy birthday, Kuya Les. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lester.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Grabe naman. Uy, grabe. Baka may nalagay na puso. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester, and more birthday to come, and wish you all the best and God bless. Okay? Thank you. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Hi guys. This is Surveying Services. Happy birthday nga pala kay Kuya Lester. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Lester, Kuya Lester.
Hi Kuya Lester, happy birthday po. Sana magtagal pa ang buhay mo at sana mag-medical immortal ka na. Thank you.
So, hi guys! May babati na ako ngayon sa isang kasama ko sa office. So, happy birthday, Kuya Lest. Sana more to come birthday pa and always safe and good health to come, okay? Happy birthday, Kuya Les. Yun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Daddy Les. Happy birthday, Daddy Les. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy Les.
Yes, happy birthday to my only boy in the world. Happy birthday, boy. Sana patuloy pang maging mabait, maunawain. Maski may konting pagkasarabutan, sana maging mabait. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Hi! Mga July C and babies, happy birthday kay Nolly, Padinard, Ellie, and Les. I want this to say happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy yung araw nyo, yung month nyo, and I hope you have a good health always, and bless kayo lagi ni Lord. Makuha nyo yung mga achievement nyo. Syempre, yeah, we love you guys.
Happy birthday! And happy birthday sa ating on-call assistant and kay Nolly. And of course, happy birthday kay Leonard Jazul and kay Ellie. Yan. And lastly kay Lester, happy birthday sa inyong apat. And ayun, sana magustuhan niyo yung aming nihandang sorpresa for you. And yes, wishing you all the best for your family and for your life. Sana ipagpatuloy ninyo yung inyong galing sa trabaho, galing sa buhay, at diskarte para sa pamilya. Mahal na mahal namin kayong lahat, and enjoy the lechon. Happy birthday!